When it comes to artisan sandwiches, the magic often starts with the ingredients. Fresh herbs, ripe tomatoes, and crisp greens can elevate a simple sandwich into a memorable meal. There's something special about using ingredients that are in season. They not only taste better, but also bring a burst of color and vibrancy to your creation. Imagine biting into a sandwich made with freshly baked bread. It's warm, soft, and just the right amount of crusty. Add in high-quality meats, perhaps some local cheese, and you've got the foundation for a fantastic artisan sandwich. The key is to choose ingredients that complement each other. A zesty spread or a touch of mustard can make all the difference, tying all those flavors together in a delicious harmony. Don't shy away from experimenting. Fresh ingredients lend themselves to creativity. Try adding pickled veggies for a tangy crunch or a drizzle of balsamic reduction for some sweetness. The beauty of artisan sandwiches is that they can be as unique as you want. Whether you're a meat lover or a veggie enthusiast, there's always a combination waiting to wow your taste buds. And let's not forget about presentation. A sandwich piled high with fresh ingredients is not only delightful to eat, but also looks amazing on your plate. Add a side of homemade chips or a simple salad, and you've turned lunch into an experience. The joy of fresh ingredients in artisan sandwiches is all about enjoying the simple pleasures of good food and satisfying every craving with each delicious bite.